Come on, Sassy. Sassy! Come on. Sassy! Good, go in the snow. Good girl. Go get him. Go get that cat.
Go.
Get that cat. It's still snowing. We lost power last night. It's hard to tell. It's a lot of drifty snow, so, but we're all glazed. Right, Charlie? Right, Molly?
Come on, Charlie.
Sassy. Bill, she loves it. Look at that.
Ugh.
She's a snow dog.
Yeah,
she is. She's a snow dog. Who's a snow doggy? Sassy. Sassy. Go get him. Get that cat. Sassy, get the cat. Go get that cat. Here's a crazy snow dog. You're not venturing out into there, though. Come on, let's go over here. Sass, come on. Come on, Sassy. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on.
Can't hardly walk on it.
Your legs are too short. Come on, Molly. Poor Charlie. He doesn't. Oh, come on, leave Charlie alone. Sassy, no. Not on Charlie. Alright. Well, I got some shoveling to do. Gonna have to start them snow blowers up. Wow, look at that, huh? It's pretty as hell, but it's a pain in the butt.
Where?
Maniac. Oh, the tree, the clothesline. That's why we lost power. Everything's all coated with ice.
Oh. Wow.
Alright.
That is pretty.
See you later. That could have been, no, it's widespread power outage. Must have been one of the high tension lines, lost it.